So I'm in the middle of my afternoon run, and it is a perfect time to think about intentionality. Now, intentionality is a really interesting aspect of consciousness, and in addition to qualia, it's a hard problem. Of course, you have sensory qualia and intentional qualia. So it can be said that it is an aspect of some part of qualia. But at the same time, it is also true that intentionality is probably more basic and more concerned with the essence of the self as we know it. And the thing about intentionality is that, for example, if you have intentionality that points to something that, for example, if you have the intentionality of a cat, the meaning of the word, of course, seems to point to this entity, the cat. However, the way intentionality is formed in our consciousness is that actually the unique character of the intentionality of a cat does not rest on the forefront point or the extension of it. As it is customarily assumed, it is actually at the very base of the intentionality structure. So the meaning or the entity that is pointed at does not rest at the forefront or the extension of it, but at the root of it. I know you probably find me bubbling and making some insensible remarks, but this is actually the essence of the intentionality as I see it, and it's quite interesting. And quite apart from the nature of sensory qualia, which are really interesting, I find this aspect of intentionality really fascinating, and it's worth studying it in some detail and in some depth. So I think any serious study of consciousness must include one on intentionality. That's my take on intentionality today, and I'll keep running.